everyone. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel, my arbitrage friends and family. I'm bringing you an update here live today. Okay. Um, for those who are not aware yet, there is an ongoing update of a particular card. I will not be mentioning the card here on YouTube due to what we all know is happening. But the card has $100 limit daily. For some, and for some they have unlimited on the card. Why some are daily? Why some are just limited to maybe $200 or so? So in case you want to know the particular card I'm talking about, just click on the link. Click on the link of this particular Telegram channel. So the first message you see immediately you join will be that card. Then once you join this channel and you want to you have the card, you want to make profit with it instantly, you fund it and make profits, you'll find a group link where you can debit your card and get your instant profit. Just join. You can see this is Truewealth. I've been here for long. We have been here for long. We have been here for long. We have been here for long. We share updates on anything related to making money online. So you can do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also apart from subscribing, make sure you turn on the notification bell icon in case we have any update. There are several updates that we do share on cryptocurrency, forex trading, online investments, airdrops, digital marketing, web, affiliate marketing, information marketing, so many updates like that. And we also drop free signals here, as you can see. Can you see? Free signals. We drop free signals here. So the free signals, you can take them, and then you can also decide to join our VIP group. That's just that's a choice though, but you can take the free signals here. You can see people enjoying the free signals as at December 6th. So in case you've seen the message and you have the you want to know the card, just join this group. You'll find a group link on the comment section or on the description of this video. Okay, and then you can also share the link of this group, of this channel, this Telegram channel, to your friends and families. And thank you, and see you on our next video.